Hello, paratroopers of the 173rd Airborne Brigade. I'm Sergeant Poos, and today I'm going to show you how to rig your large Molle 2 rucksack in preparation of an airborne operation. So for that, you'll need your air items. So this is composed of your harness single point release, commonly referred to as an H harness, and your hook pile tape lowering line. All right, so let's get started.
Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is prepare the rucksack for rigging. So any loose straps, okay, you're going to secure them to the rucksack. Next, you're going to ensure that you S-fold these straps right over here for the adjustable shoulder carrying straps, all right? So these two have to be S-folded. Over here for the waist belt, quite easy. All you got to do is fold it inwards like this, just roll it all the way in, and then it tucks in perfectly just like that. All right, so now what's important is that we need to make two loops right over here, okay? So I have one over here, we're going to do the second one right over here. So for that, we're going to take 2 retainer bands. 1, 2. All right, what we're gonna do, index thumb, and you're gonna hook them together. So for that, you come in, you pinch one, just like this, and then you pinch the other, just like that. You pull them out, just like that. All right, so now we have a loop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this and make a girth hitch. So just like this, come in through here, bring that loop like this, bring that knot right over here, and insert that knot through that loop. And that creates a girth hitch, okay? Just like that. All right, so there it is. This will be for the hook pile tape lowering line. All right, so now your rucksack is ready to be rigged. All right guys, so I laid out all the air items over here because we need to assemble the harness single point release, our H harness. So for this portion, we do not need the hook pile tape lowering line, so we'll put that to the side. The first thing you want to do is insert the release handle assembly inside the release handle cross strap. So for that, you're going to open up the release handle cross strap, exposing the hook tape over here and the hook tape over here. Grab the release handle assembly. Make sure that there are no twists inside the release handle lanyard right over here. So now you're ready to insert the release handle assembly inside the release handle cross strap. So bring this hook tape to this pile tape, and this hook tape to this pile tape, just like that. All right, next, grab the adjustable D-ring attaching strap. Make sure that the snap hook is facing downwards. Grab the triangle link, place the wide attaching loop through the triangle link, just like this. All right, so the process goes as follows. It's gonna be green to white to red, just like the Italian flag. So you're gonna grab the green attaching loop to the white attaching loop to the red attaching loop, just like this, okay? All right. So now you're going to grab the female portion leg strap release assembly, and you're going to take the red attaching loop and fit it through the grommet, just like this. Next, you're going to take the release handle cable, put it through the red attaching loop, and then through the cable loop retainer, just like this. Okay, so now we're just going to repeat that process one more time. So adjustable D-ring attaching strap, snap hook facing downwards, wide attaching loop through triangle link, green, white, red, grommet, cable, and done. All right guys, so there it is. Your harness single point release is ready to be mounted onto your rucksack. Okay guys, so you're gonna place the rucksack on its belly and the harness single point release on top with the friction adapters facing this way. Grab the friction adapters and slide it onto the rucksack. So now the friction adapters on the bottom end of the rucksack with the release handle cross strap on the bottom end of the e-tool pouch and the adjustable cross strap on the top end of the e-tool pouch. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're going to grab your rucksack and flip it up just like this. Take the male portion leg strap release assemblies and throw those to the side because you do not need them right now. Grab the equipment retainer straps. You're gonna place these through the hole of the frame on top right over here. So these two holes, you're gonna place these two equipment retainer straps through those holes. All right, so let's do that. That's one. And two. Okay, great. So make sure there are no twists as you pull them through. Now, you're gonna route these under the adjustable shoulder carrying strap. So it's gonna go under like this and not over and not through the inside over here, okay? So that's a no-go. So over here, you're gonna bring it through like this under the adjustable shoulder carrying strap and shoot it through to the opposite corner. You're gonna throw it into the hole of the frame down over here. Okay, so shove it all in that hole, just like that. Okay, same for the opposite side. There it is. Okay, great. So now, what you're going to do is grab the slack of the equipment retainer straps, and you're going to basically flip your rucksack upside down. Okay, so first I'm going to put it flat on its belly, like this, and then I'm going to pull on it and hold on to the friction adapters over here, 1 and 2, and hold it like that. So it looks a bit messy right now. We're just going to get the things we do not need out of the way. All right, so this is what it looks like. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab the equipment retainer strap and slide it through the friction adapter. So as I flip this, I want to make sure that I didn't have any twists. Good, I'm good. So here we are, and place it in through here, just like that. Now I'm going to make a bite, and I'm going to place it through this top end right over here, just like that. Okay, so there it is. Now to tighten it up, all I got to do is pull on this bottom end, not the top end, because the top end is just the slack. So bottom end over here, just like that. And now I'm going to repeat for the other side. Friction adapter, equipment retainer strap. Now I'm going to make sure that I don't have any twists. One twist, okay. So as you move the rucksack, there's possibilities for a twist to happen. Okay, so here I am, and place it through this one, just like that, and then through this top one. All right, so make a bite inside the equipment retainer strap and place it through just like this. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm going to place the rucksack on its back, just like this, and I'm going to tighten those straps. I'm going to grab right over here, and I'm going to pull on it, okay, and tighten it up. So again, the bottom end, right? Just like that. Do the same for the opposite side, over here. Okay, just like that. All right, now, what I'm going to do, it's tight enough. I'm going to grab right over here and take the excess slack out. So grab and pull here. Now I'm going to place downward pressure, put my 4 fingers in, and pull the excess out just like that. So I have 4 fingers. Do the same with the other side. Just like that. Now, what's important? I have to S-fold the excess webbing right over here. So for that, I'm going to use a retainer band. So I have 2 straps, so I'm going to use 2 retainer bands. Place one right here. All right, so what I like to do is I like to fold it going towards the top of the rucksack. So here I have it laid out, and I fold it like this, and I start to S-fold it, just like that. Okay, and there it is. All right, so the reason why I like to start that fold this way is so that now it's on top, and I just pull it, and it's always facing the top of the rucksack, so I know to always pull in that direction, and it'll take the S-fold out. Okay, there it is. So there's for one. Now, here we go. Fold that way. And there it is. Okay. There it is. Okay, so there it is, guys. So there's for your 2 S-folds of the excess webbing of the equipment retainer strap. So notice that I accidentally hooked this part into the webbing to the retainer band. Do not do that. All right. So this has to be loose on its own. You got the S-fold here, S-fold, and then that loose on its own. All right. So now we are going to grab the hook pile tape lowering line and attach this to the cross right over here. Okay. So it's going to go from north to south, so from top to bottom of the rucksack. So you're going to insert the looped end hook pile tape lowering line in through here, just like that. And you're going to grab the other side, grab it from the other side over here. You're gonna open up that loop so that you could girth hitch the hook pile tape lowering line. So there it is, just like that. And I girth hitch it onto there. All right, now I'm just gonna tighten that up, just like that. Okay, so there it is. Now, I'm going to insert the hook pile tape lowering line into these two loops right over here. So for that, you're gonna place it on top of the adjustable shoulder carrying strap, not on the bottom, okay? On top. Okay, so bring the ejector snap, bring these through, bring it through the two retainer bands, and now just slide the rest of the hook pile tape lowering line through the retainer bands. Just like this. Okay guys, so there it is. For this portion, we are done. Now, you're gonna flip the rucksack on its belly, and we're going to attach the male portion leg strap release assemblies. So here, take it to the female portion leg strap release assembly over here, making it an adjustable leg strap. So over here, boom, this is gonna be your leg strap. There's a twist over here because it goes around your leg, okay? So it counts for that. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll or fold your excess webbing over here and place it inside the webbing retainer right over here. Okay, same for the opposite side. Over here, just like that. Tighten it up. Roll or fold the excess webbing and place it inside the webbing retainer right over here. Okay guys, so there it is. So this is how you rig your rucksack for an airborne operation. Have a good jump, Sky Soldiers.